BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, both renewed. The Philips 5400 with LatteGo and the Jura E8. Big price difference right off the bat. The Philips is listed around $799, and the Jura is almost $2,000.
Wow, yeah, that's a significant jump. So what are we getting for that extra cash with the Jura?
Well, the Jura boasts 17 program specialties compared to the Philips 12. Think beyond the basics. It's got things like a cortado and flat white programmed in. It also has a professional aroma grinder, which Jura claims gives you more aroma from your beans. They say like 12% more.
Interesting. The Philips uses ceramic grinders, which they say are durable enough for 20,000 cups. What about the Jura's grinder?
They don't specify the material as clearly, but it's all about that aroma grinder tech. The Jura also uses what they call a pulse extraction process, or PEP, to supposedly maximize flavor in short drinks like espresso.
Okay, so the Jura is focusing on maximizing the finer points. What about ease of use?
The Philips has an intuitive display, and the LatteGo system is a big selling point for easy milk frothing and cleaning. It only has 2 parts and no tubes, and it's dishwasher safe. Seems super simple.
The Jura mentions a 2.8-inch color display and buttons, but also an operating concept featuring artificial intelligence. That sounds fancy, but maybe complicated?
Yeah, it could be. The Jura emphasizes its design and build quality, using premium materials. The Philips is more about practicality and ease of cleaning. One thing I prefer on the Philips is the adjustability of the grinder. 12-step adjustments.
Right, so the Philips seems more user-friendly. What about size?
The Philips is a bit smaller, at 15 by 10 by 17 inches, and weighs 18.58 pounds. The Jura is larger, around 20 by 17 by 12 inches, but surprisingly only weighs 1 pound. That has to be a typo.
Okay, so basically, the Philips is a more affordable, user-friendly option focused on ease of use and cleaning, while the Jura is positioned as a premium machine with more features and a focus on maximizing flavor for a much higher price.
Exactly. It really boils down to whether you value convenience and cost-effectiveness or are willing to invest significantly more for potentially superior flavor and a few extra features. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.